Man, what's going on, folks? It's your boy Money Mac coming back to you again from the set. And today, bruh, listen, this AI thing is crazy. Like, we not, bruh. So I was bored one night, right? And Copilot, which is the Microsoft AI chatbot, whatever you want to call it, right, was finally available for iOS. I already had it on my Android phone, so it was available for iOS. I downloaded it, right? And I thought, I don't have any dope sneakers with a Green Bay Packer colorway. So I decided to generate some concepts of my own. So I felt like I needed a Jordan 3 and I needed a Jordan 6, right? So I hit the prompt. First, I went with the Jordan 3. Generate a Jordan 3 in the Green Bay Packer colorway, right? That's what I did. And this is what I got. This right, that. Let me know what y'all think about that concept because I have another one and it gave me 4. So these are 2 of the ones that I felt like were kind of something that's feasible, right? So I decided to do the Jordan 6, which is another one of my favorite colorways. And this is what I got from those. Bruh, why don't we have these already? And if I can sit here, all right, let me not get on that because I think they're super dope. You may not think so, or maybe you do. Let me know down in the comment section whether these are dope or nope. So are, is it, is that easy for me to sit here and just generate a concept, right? Is that easy for really anybody to generate a concept? But the question is, with the saturation of the market and we're getting releases of colorways that don't nobody really want and sneakers are available or sitting, it would probably behoove the Nike execs, Reebok, Adidas, all these sneaker companies, right? Yeah, I say Reebok because Reebok trying to come back. It would behoove them to probably use some of these AI tools. Yes, they have CAD, all these other things at their disposal where they can just pop in colors, right? But wouldn't it be super dope if they would actually use these tools and give us what we want? These are dope. I'm sorry. These are dope. But again, that's just me. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section. What do y'all think about these? Are these dope or no? Or am I just reaching? Again, we going with this AI theme here on the set, man. And we're going to see where it take us, bruh. Hey, I love electronics. I love technology. But I love sneakers. And now I'm starting to love bourbon. So holla at your boy, man. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. Let me know what y'all think of these in the comment section, bruh. It is perplexing to think that it took me like 2 seconds to come up with this dope colorway. And I do sneaker customs too. So this is another tool that will aid me in getting the words out of my head onto a visual something without wasting materials and getting an iPad and sketching it out. Hey, this took no time at all. And I can either scrap it or I can go with this concept. Me, I'm probably gonna go with this concept. So let me know what y'all think in the comment section, man. It's your boy Money Matt, bruh. That's all I had for you today. Peace.